Watch and see what these waste plastic bottles will be turning to. As Nigeria is now, recycling should be the way forward. You are not only saving the environment, but as well the cost of importation, which is way too high. Imagine exchanging dollar at the rate of 1,600. It might even get to 2,000 very soon. By the time you exchange your dollar, do all the wahala in importation, transporting your goods from overseas, clearing it na wharf ndị Yoruba, very stressful. And then you will now pay the transport company that will transport it from the wharf with a liter of fuel that is currently at 1,500, now 1,400, to your final destination n'ime ahịa. Oga Emeka, I want to ask you, Oga Emma, how much is your gain? You see, but if you are into this business, you can actually manufacture this